Hi, everybody. Today we're going to look at putting in images into a Google slide deck. I need to move this over here. So I have a slide here as part of my slide deck, and I want to insert a few of them. So when I go to insert and I click image, I get a whole bunch of choices from where I can upload pictures from. I can do it from my computer. I can search the web directly. I can go from my Google Drive, from photos on my Mac by URL, or I can take a picture of myself right now. So let's do search the web first. And I'll show you how you can do this two different ways. So when I hit search the web, I get Google Images search. And what's nice is that it'll only give images that can be reproduced, that can be shared. So I'm going to search for a, let's say a bird. Oh, I like this one, the second one. So I'm going to click it. You'll notice that it has a check there, and I'm going to hit insert. And then it inserts it for me. I'm going to scale this down. So I'm going to grab this right-hand corner, and I'm going to make it a little smaller just because I don't need it that big. The other way that we can search from the web is down here. You have your Explore tab. And if you've ever clicked on this, you'll get an option to search My Documents and the web. So here it still knows that I'm searching for birds. I can search my documents for birds, and it gives me the web, so I can just research birds right here. I can get more images, or it'll pull up my drive. So here are the things that I have in my Google Drive that deal with birds. You'll see there's a lot of things from Journeys in here. Okay, well, let's see. I will scroll down a little. I don't know anything about birds, but how about the eagle? So now it pulls up the big picture. I'm going to go up here and say insert. And again, it gives me now the website of where it's from. So it's like automatic citation. So I'm going to shorten that one as well. I'm going to click out of this. So now I have two pictures of birds. And I mean, they're pretty cool. It's fine, but I want to make it a little more exciting for my students. So I want to turn this into a shape, like a call out shape. So one of the things up here is your crop image box. And in cropping your image means that you can shorten it. It comes this black box, and you can take part of it and it'll move your picture. So if there's any unwanted things you want. But what's really cool is that you can hit this arrow and you can hit a shape and arrows, call outs, or equations. And what I like about this is that I want to call out this bird. So now it changed the bird into the call out. And so it just makes that picture a little different. Let's say if I wanted to turn it into this one. So it's just a nice way that you can make your presentations a little more exciting without having to worry about cropping them yourself. You can also add borders. So up here is your border, and right now it doesn't have one, but I can go to 12 points. And when I click out of it, I have this gray border. I can change the color of the border. Maybe I want it to match his beak. And so this even now makes the two images much more exciting than what they were when they looked just normal on the presentation. Let's insert another one. We'll go to image, and let's upload from computer. I don't think I have any pictures of birds on my computer, but what it does is it'll only pick up the images that you have, the ones with JPEG and PNG at the end. And let's scroll down here and let's get this picture of a lake. It's a little different. And so here is the picture from my computer. So those are some things that you can do to add images and spice them up in your presentation. Thank you.